Hey everyone, Moto G86 Power stands out in Motorola's mid-range lineup with a focus on extended battery life, vibrant display quality, and rugged durability, all wrapped in a refreshed design language that elevates the brand's value offerings. At a price point of around €329, this device aims to strike the right balance between power efficiency, modern aesthetics, and everyday practicality. At the core of its appeal is the massive 6,720 mAh battery, one of the largest in its class. Despite the larger power cell, the phone maintains a reasonably slim profile at 8.65 millimeters and weighs in at about 198 grams. It supports 30-watt wired charging through USB-C, which, while not the fastest by today's flagship standards, is still efficient enough for a battery this size. The phone's front is dominated by a stunning 6.67-inch display that features HDR10+ support and a 120 Hz refresh rate. What truly stands out is its 4,500 nit peak brightness, impressive figure even among premium devices, ensuring excellent visibility under harsh sunlight. The 1220 by 2712 pixel resolution offers sharp visuals, and the 89.2% screen-to-body ratio enhances immersion. Protecting the panel is Corning's Gorilla Glass 7i, adding durability to its vibrant performance. Powering the G86 Power is the Dimensity 7300 chipset. This configuration ensures solid multitasking performance and decent gaming capability, especially when combined with the Mali G615 MC2 GPU. It ships with Android 15 and Motorola's near-stock UI, promising a clean and responsive software experience. RAM and storage configurations range up to 12 GB and 512 GB respectively, with a micro SD card slot available for further expansion. On the imaging front, the Moto G86 Power is equipped with a 50 megapixels primary rear camera with optical image stabilization and dual pixel phase detection autofocus. Accompanying it is an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens with macro capabilities, adding some flexibility for creative photography. On the front, a 32 megapixel selfie camera housed in a punch hole delivers detailed self-portraits. What truly sets the Moto G86 Power apart from many competitors in its segment is its build quality and ruggedness. It's IP68/IP69 certified, meaning it can withstand dust, water immersion, and even high-pressure water jets. The device also meets MIL STD 810H standards, although Motorola clarifies that this doesn't guarantee resistance under all extreme conditions. In conclusion, the Moto G86 Power is more than just a phone with a large battery. It's a well-rounded mid-range device with flagship-like features in display quality, durability, and design. Its combination of clean software, rugged hardware, and excellent multimedia capabilities make it one of the more compelling options in the sub-€350 category for 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.